Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing another PCOS video. Today, I'll be talking about excessive body hair, or mainly the hair on your face, because that's the main part that I struggle with out of my entire body with battling with PCOS every day, 365, 24/7, facial hair. I don't have on any makeup right now. Only thing I have on is Carmex. I probably started noticing a lot of my facial hair maybe between the age of 18 and 20, kind of getting out of high school, going into college. I would always go get it waxed. I would go get it professionally waxed like every 2 weeks. And my hair would come back in 5 days. And I'd be like, okay, I just paid about $75 to get my facial hair waxed, and now it's coming back. I gotta find something else since there is no cure for PCOS and facial hair. So over the years, just kind of still getting it waxed, going home, doing a little bit of my own tweezing. They're just some regular tweezers I got from Sally's. Always constantly plucking. And just kind of getting frustrated because, you know, you wax, you feel beautiful for a whole day, tweeze, you know, get all those hairs, and then like 2 days later it's back. And you're like, what? Like, where did this hair come from? So, once again, I'm not a doctor or professional. I'm just going off of my 26 years on this earth, what has worked for me and my PCOS battle with facial hair. So once again, I don't have on any makeup on at all. So I get a lot of hair on my sides, chin, and neck, which leaves a lot of dark spots. Of course, if you think about it, if you wax or pluck, it's by opening a clear space for like dirt to just kind of run into it. So of course, I'm very lazy. I will say it. I don't do this all the time. You should definitely wash your hands very good before and after you touch your face, or any time you touch your face. Just because, you know, you don't know where your hands been or what dirt or chemicals, whatever, came to your hands before you touch your face. So I'm just going to just share with you guys a few things that have worked for me. The things that I'm sharing, it has not stopped the hair from growing, but it does kind of slow it down a little bit. Of course, with PCOS, they say for us, we are supposed to diet and exercise regularly. I'm doing my best. I do have my cheating days and my days where I kind of go off a little bit, but I'm getting back on track. So what I have found that works for me, and I will actually leave the details in the description box, and then I'm going to show a clip of what I actually do. But I'll just show some ingredients. Something that I use to help with the dark spots on my face and under my neck is turmeric, lemon, and honey. Excuse me, this is not a jar it comes in or nothing. I just mix it up in this. I try to do this about 3 to 5 times a week, and you can get turmeric at like a Whole Foods or Fresh Market. It comes like in a powder. And then I just use like the lemon drops that you can get in the produce section. And then honey. Any honey, doesn't matter. I like raw honey. I mean, just because it doesn't have all that sugar in it. So literally, I don't really have a measurement what I use. I just kind of use a little bit of this, a little bit of that, until it kind of gets really thick. So then I'll show in the video too, once I rub it on my face, how I don't want it to be too runny. So the lemon is the liquid, so not too much lemon. And then the honey is like a paste, so like a nice part of that. And then you never need too much turmeric. Always wear gloves when you are working with turmeric. Have on a shirt you don't mind to ever get ruined. Have paper towels, bags. Turmeric has ruined so many clothes. Counters, necklaces, jewelry, earrings. So just be ball fakes when you use turmeric because it stains, like stains. And of course, if you think or do your research on the turmeric root, it is an actual root. And like, I don't really know how to describe it unless you've actually picked it up or actually tasted turmeric. It is very strong. I have seen people use it for a teeth cleaner. I haven't tried it yet. My mom, she drinks it in the morning as an energy boost, like, you know, get her day started, whatever. And yeah, just always wear gloves and be in a place that you don't mind if it gets splattered all over the place, whatever. So I put that all over my face, or I put it from right here and right there, and I usually leave it on for about 2 hours. I put it on, watch a couple TV shows, movies. I do this, I say 3 to 5 times a week, but I almost try to do it every night because turmeric to me is kind of like a better way. You know how like mustard. If mustard gets on your fingernails and your fingers, like it stains and you can see it like all day long. That's how turmeric is on your skin. So it's like basically supposed to lighten like these dark areas, if you can really see. Like lighten up the darker areas. My face actually used to be very darker than this. I've been doing this consistently for maybe about the past 2 months. And then like 2 years ago I actually started and kind of did my research on it. So consistently for about a couple months, I don't have a before and after picture, but I am going to consistently do it for a whole month and then do another update. But that is definitely something that I'm consistently using to help lighten up the dark spots on my face. I can't really say if it's stopping the hair growth. I really don't think so. I mean, I really can't tell. All I can see is just that it's lightening. That's what I want. If I'm wearing makeup or whatever, you know, of course you want it to blend well. So that is what I use pretty often. I'm so sorry. It's in a ghetto bag, but this is the black soap, African black soap. I wash my face with it every morning and every night, or anytime I take makeup off. That just kind of cleanses my skin, makes my skin feel so soft. So that's the only soap that I use. And then Shea Moisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub with tea tree oil. So I do use this maybe probably about 3 times a week. I don't really use it too often, and that's kind of like a morning cleanse that I use. And then they also have a African Black Soap Problem Skin Moisturizer. So after I put my, I use this before I put on my makeup. This is a very good moisturizer. I use it a lot. Oh, there is some in there. So it's like a, what can I compare this to? Like a lotion, but more like liquidy. I have very, very dry skin, so having a moisture like this before I put on my makeup, it helps my face to feel very moisturized throughout the day. So I really do like that, and that really I can tell a difference in helping my skin being moisturized. And then I think what is it called? I think it's called Nair. I don't have it with me because I ran out of it. I think it's called Nair something. And it's at Walgreens and CVS. It's a wax. It's a hot wax. So obviously you put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. You'll get a stick, put it on your face, tap, 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 and then snatch it off. I know a lot of people don't like it. I like to just get it real quick and over with. That is what I do. And if I can't always get wax, tweezers never go wrong. I mean, you really have to get a close mirror. Like I have a mirror that has like a 3x3 magnifying on one side, and the other side just a normal mirror. So I just be up getting it sometimes until it all goes away. But that is pretty much all I do. And then after I wax or pluck, of course your skin is very, very sensitive. So it's like, I don't want to say like a burning, but you know, it feels fresh. So I use Aloe Gel or Aloe Vera Gel. I got this at the not the dollar store. I got this at the beauty store. And Whole Foods and Fresh Market do have it well, but they're more expensive. This was like $2. This lasts me almost a month and a half. And I really like it because it helps my skin to feel moisturized. And then when you pluck or wax, like my skin turns red. So it calms it down a lot. So that is what I also use. So not really much. I'm going to do a clip of how I do this in the morning and at night. I hope you guys enjoyed. Ladies with PCOS, the struggle is real, but we're going to get through it. Please comment down if you have other tools or other ingredients you found that helps. Please share it with everybody. We really appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys soon. So I'll be showing how I'm using the NADS Brazilian Bikini Wax to get the basically hair off of my sideburns, neck, and under my chin. So basically with waxing, you need to basically wake up the hair. So I use baby powder to just kind of basically put all over I'll be waxing my upper lip, chin, and sideburns, just to wake up the hair to see which direction the hair is actually growing in. So this wax is very, very hot. Microwave it for about 3 minutes in the microwave. Just be cautious about how you should probably be wearing gloves. I just kind of go at it. Because of how I'm filming, the angle, I wasn't able to really wax how you're supposed to. You're supposed to wax in the direction the hair is going in. But it was hot and I was trying to hurry up and get this uploaded. So I'm just kind of just messy with it, putting it all over. But you're supposed to put the wax in the direction that the hair is growing. So when you do pull it, you're basically pulling at the core or the root of where the hair is growing to actually take it all the way out. But it was hot and I was just trying to, once again, hurry up and just get it done with. So with this hard wax, it's good to go over the same layer twice. Now this part was very, very painful. Like, I literally had to just keep taking breaks and just kind of hyping myself up. But when you're pulling the wax off, it's good to literally hold whichever part of the skin you'll be pulling from and then snatch it off. So how I'm like holding one side, snatching off, and just get it over with. Because it's really, really gonna hurt. So what I'll be using to kind of calm my skin down from being waxed is some Aloe Gel that I got from Wal Mart, Whole Foods, just anywhere. As you can see, I'm like pink and red. So basically kind of to calm my skin down, that's a really good gel to use. Now another thing that I do for my dark spots for lightening, I mix turmeric, lemon, and honey together. I'll put the actual measurements in the description box, but this is really, really good for basically lightening any dark spots anywhere all over your body. Like I put it on my neck, my chest, my stomach, and I probably do this about 3 times a week. I think after about 3 months, you'll see a drastic change in the lightening of your skin. Now, when you're applying this on, you have to use gloves. Turmeric is like mustard, or mustard and oranges, I compare it to. It stains your hands all day. You just see it everywhere. So basically, be careful wherever you are. Use gloves because it will stain. So basically, it's a good thing it's staining because it's staining your skin, which is like lightening your skin, which you want to happen, which I want to lighten my skin. So these 2 methods are really good. I probably leave this on for about an hour. Probably watch 2 episodes on Netflix or something, or I don't know. Just keep watching shows until I feel comfortable just to take it off. So talking to my roommate on the side note, but really good methods to use. I hope this works for anybody else trying to lighten their skin.